brands are paying anywhere from $50 to $500 per UGC ad, and some creators are making thousands every month. And they are not even influencers. They do not have big followings, and they are just creating simple talking head videos just like this one. You don't even need to film yourself anymore. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to create your own AI UGC ad, step by step on how you can create your own AI UGC ad, the type that the brands are looking for. And I'm going to be doing this using an AI tool called Nextify AI. So if you're an influencer, a content creator, a marketer, or even just someone who's looking for a skill that actually pays, please do not skip this video, because by the end of this video, you are going to learn how you can create your own UGC style ads without a camera, without hiring characters, and without even spending hundreds of dollars trying to create an ad. From your Google Chrome, go to Nextify.ai. From the homepage, browse through the different ad categories that they have. The first one here is AI winning ads. From AI winning ads, you can also check the different ones they have. You can see the talking characters. So if your ad is about talking characters, please choose from this one. They have the static ad generator, okay, for all your static images. And here is product in hand generator. Okay, the next one is the bureau showcase, just in case if it's bureau ads that you want to do. This is unboxing POV, and the next one is app showcase. Okay, from this one you can also see that they have the gestures, and they have different ad categories for every ads that you want to do. So let's go with this AI winning ads for our first one. So you can just click on one of the images, one of the videos, and see what they have. And I'll be going with this one. Okay, so from this reference, I just have to bring in my own reference image and also bring in my own prop to generate my own image. Here I'm going to bring in this red shoe, this red high shoe, and then once it finishes loading, then you can put in your own prompt over here. Okay, so I talked about the categories first. First I'm going with the narrative, and also going with the product descriptions, the opening. Okay, so I want to tell you something, that the quality of your prompt to determine the quality of the output you are going to get. Okay, so you can see that I section everything here, and if you want to get this prompt that I use for this one, please comment in the comment section, and I'm going to share it with you. And so if you don't want to use Sora 2 Pro, they have different models that you can also use. Over here you can see they also have clean 2.5, and they have one and have other ones. Okay, now you can also check the aspect ratio. Okay, if you don't want to use 9:16, you can change it to the one you want. You can also change the duration of the video that you want, if it's 15 seconds, or if you want it to be more than 15 seconds, you have the option of changing it here. And then the quality of the video, you can also change it from 720p, to 1080p if you want. And here, like I talked about, you can also change the duration of the video up to 10 seconds. And you can also generate more than one video for you at once. And once you are done putting on all these features, you can just go ahead and click on that generate, and your video will start generating immediately. And here is the beautiful result that we'll get. Isn't this amazing? Now look at the product that I gave it to, which is the shoe. It looks exactly like what I gave it to, and now it has to put in a model like I described there, and then the model is putting on the shoe, showcasing it, and this is super beautiful. So from here you can see that it retained the quality of the product I gave it to, and as well there is consistency in the quality of the product, which makes it super amazing. Now let's try another kind of ad, which is talking characters. I'll be choosing this one. Okay, now when you click on it, just come over here and bring in the image that you want to use. Okay, you don't have to use video, you can use an image, and for me I use an image. I brought in my own image here, transform it into a talking character video. So here is my own image that I brought in here. I'm going to be choosing this one. Then over here, I'm going to put in the prompt. The prompt here simply means what you want the character to do. Okay, so in the video, what exactly do you want the character to be doing? If you also need something, if there's also something that you want the character to say at this point, this is the point where you also have to write it. Very short. It's not going to be as long as the first video that we generated. Okay, so here's my own prompt here. And my prompt reads, make the character talk with confidence and then excitement while looking at the camera, right? While looking at the camera and making hand gestures, I guess. I'm making hand gestures. So this is very important because it's going to make it to look natural. Okay, and make it look real without looking like it's generated by AI. All of these are the kind of things you need to put in your prompt to make it nice. And here is my own results in 3 different accents.
Welcome to Nextify. Let's craft your next great ad simply and calmly. Welcome to Nextify. Let's craft your next great ad simply and calmly.
Welcome to Nextify. Let's craft your next great ad simply and calmly.
Welcome to Nextify. Let's craft your next great ad simply and calmly.
Next up, we will try in the static ad generator. You can browse through all of these to choose the particular one that you want. Okay, so and over here, I saw this beautiful one, and this is what I want to try. Okay, and I'm also going to be using a pink car. So here I'm going to bring in all my own image, my own reference image over here. Okay, here my image is uploading, and over here I'm going to put in my detailed prompt. And if you want the prompt that I use here, I'm going to be sharing that with you in the comment section. Just simply tell me, okay, and I'm going to share it with you. Make sure your prompt is as detailed as possible. So I have to add that I want a black girl. Okay, so and also change the age range, and but then the same car model, just with little changes because I generated the image myself for the car. Okay, so check in through your prompt and make sure your prompt as detailed as mine so you can get the perfect AI ad for your UGC videos. Okay, this is very, very important because if you don't do it this way, it's going to just give you generic images and generic results that looks like AI, and you don't want that. You can change the model here if you don't want, and here I'll be using Nano Banana Pro. Okay, you can change the aspect ratio depending on what you want to create, from 9:16 to 16:19. Okay, you can also change the duration of the video. Not the duration, I mean to say, you can change the number of the results that you want. So if you want more than one result, okay, it's going to generate more than one result for you. And once you are done, hit on generate, and here is the results that we got. Isn't this so beautiful? And very, very important. Okay, you also added some text to the image. Okay, so if you don't want the text, you can remove it. You can change the text to what you want, and then you're going to get the same results. So now this is very important. Okay, once you export your video, please do not just upload it raw. Please add subtitles, add slide zoom in and zoom out, add background music, on-screen emphasis, add text. This makes it feel natural and makes it feel like the original TikTok videos or the reels that you watch, and people like to watch this kind of video without feeling like you're trying to sell to them. And if you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I share valuable content on AI workflows and AI tutorials. I'd love to see you in my next video.